Uh, hey guys. Okay, so what I will be doing, um, I think how many minutes have passed? Okay, so the 10 minutes have passed, and I was basically blabbering all the time, and I haven't noticed that the I have disabled my mic. So wow. Uh, okay. So what I will be doing here, I will be creating a ID inside the models. So I will be creating an student ID and uh, enrollment ID. Student ID and course ID, and I will add it inside the enrollment model so that I can fetch the list of student or the list of I can fetch the list of enrollments that student had performed or the list of enrollments that basically the courses have. So how many students have enrolled in this course, and what are the list of enrollments that student have performed and done basically implemented yet. So yeah, let's add course ID. Okay, the course ID will be models dot foreign key. So basically it's a foreign key, and foreign key will have on delete. On delete will I will be using on cascade. So it will delete all the enrollments if student deletes their ID, or if the this ID doesn't exist from the course table. Okay, so this part is done. Let's create for student ID. Okay, paste it. Course ID, student ID, grade, mark sheet, apps. um, Okay, so this looks fine. I have added the models. I have added serializers. Okay, so let me register all this thing. From dot models. Models will be course model. Okay, let's pass this course here. Okay, what I will do, I will copy this portion. I will go inside the admin, inside the enrollment folder, and paste this. I will remove this enrollment model. Okay, so pass enrollment model here. Then I have to go inside this, go inside admin, paste this. Okay, admin dot type dot register. Inside the register, I will pass enrollment. No, enrollment, not enrollment model basically. I will pass student model, and inside the student model, I will be adding this. Okay, so this part is also done. So I have created a model, I have created a serializer, I have created an admin for it, I have registered the model inside the admin, I have created a enrollment here also, I have created a model also, serializer also. Okay, so till this it looks fine. We don't have an issue. Okay, so we have an issue. On delete cascade. Let's go. Okay. We have to pass one more thing inside the model. It is 2. We have to attach a table also. So 2 student model. Okay, so from dot models import course model, right? Okay, so I have to pass here course model, not student model. So I will be passing course model here, and here I will be passing student model. Okay. So this is working fine, and looks okay. So it is working now. So what I have to do, I have to create a view for all these apps, and I have to add a URL also. I have to connect with the URL. Okay, so I have to connect these views with the URL also. So what I will do, first I will create an import. Okay, so what I will do, I will call Django dot URL import path. What am I doing wrong here? Basically it's wrong, not import. Okay, and from dot views import, from dot import, I have to import from the current directory. And what I have to import? I have to import views as I am giving an alias of v. Okay, so let's create URL patterns. Okay, and URL patterns, I have to copy this all this. I have to go inside the enrollment folder, go inside this file, paste it here, and then go inside the course app, Okay, so we haven't created here URL file. So urls.py file, and inside the urls.py file I will paste this also. So this looks fine. In the enrollment is also looking fine here, and yeah, so we have added the URL patterns, URL pattern list basically, where I will be registering all the URLs for particular views. So let's create a view here. Okay, so what I will do, first import the serializer, and the serializer will be student serializer. Okay. Yes, so let's create a class. The class name will be list create student. Okay, student will be generics. I will be using basically I'm using a generics API coming from REST framework, and the generic API which I will be using will be list create API view. Okay, and inside that I will be using query set. I will pass a query set here, and in the query set will be, we have to fetch all the list of models. We will be giving a list of all the models, all the data from the tables. So it will be objects dot all. Okay, it will just pass, I think, an instance of the model. I think, let me check this. Yeah, it will pass an instance basically. Okay, so the instance will be used here. Great. And then I have to pass a serializer class, and the serializer class will be obviously, you know, it is basically a student serializers, and I have to use a parser class here also. So parser class will take multi-form parser, multi-part parser basically, and the form parser. So basically we will passing sending a request data in the form of multi-part form data. So yeah, I need a parser for that. Class, inside the class I will be using RUD students generics. Okay, and inside the generics I will be using retrieve update destroy API view. What I will do, I will do the same thing here also. Okay, I'll just paste it here. Great, so this part is done. All the CRUD operation is completed, so it is very fast. So I like basically generics API, so you don't have to, if you are not adding business logic, then you can use generics API for it. So it will even speed up your building process also. Yeah, so this looks, what I will do, I will go inside this views, I will paste it. No, I have to paste everything. Copy everything here from here, go inside the enrollment app, select all, paste it here also. So it is serializers. I have to make it plural, not singular. So it will be serializers, not serializer. So this looks okay. Go inside here. Go inside here. I will be using serializer here also, and I will be using serializer here also. And what I am doing, I am using a serializer here also. So what I will do, I will just select all, paste it here also, and it will be serializers, not serializer. So till this it looks fine. Go inside the enrollment, change it to enrollment model. First change it from here, enrollment model, and the serializer will be enrollment serializer. Okay, enrollment serializer, and the model will be enrollment model. Okay, enrollment model, enrollment serializer. This looks good. Okay, so this looks okay. Model serializer. And to go here, course model, and here will be course serializer. Okay, what I will do, I'll go inside course model, course serializer, copy, here it is. This looks okay. We have created views also. So what we need here, this looks working fine. This also working fine here. What should I do here? Okay, so inside the urls.py, I will be registering all the URLs and connect it to the, okay. Okay, so what I will do, just add path, and here I will add path. Okay, so what I will do, I will need this, and I will call it dot create student dot as view. Okay, and we need student. I will use LC as an abbreviation for it, so that you can easily identify what we are doing. LC means list and create. Here I will be passing int primary key. The primary key is of type int basically. So v dot root students as view. This view looks good. I will go inside the name. Inside the name, I will pass root students. Okay, so we do this. This looks good. What I will do, I will just add this. Instead of LC, I will add just LC. Okay, so let's copy this part. Go inside enrollment. Paste it here. Paste it here. Change it to list. Okay. So we haven't even changed the view. Enrollment. Then it will be, here will be enrollments. Okay, so this looks good. What I will do, I will add list, create enrollment, enrollment. in enrollments, copy, paste here. Okay, so this also need primary key to list all the enrollments, and I think this part also, and I will be needing urls.py here also. I will be pasting here. Oh no, I will be copying this, go inside this, paste it here, change it to okay, so the enrollment part is done, I hope. Okay, so inside the urls.py, what I will do, I have to change the name of the views that I have created, view class basically. So let's creating course, let's create course, courses, let's create courses. I will be using courses rather than course. List create courses, RUD courses. What I will do, I will change the name here. I will change courses, copy, paste it, courses, save it. Okay, so this looks also great. So this part is covered. We have registered all the URLs. We have connected all the URLs with the Vue basically. What I will do, I will go inside this main project folder, and I will create a Vue file, views.py file. What I will do, I will import REST framework. Sorry, don't have to import from REST framework dot, I think response takes response, import response. I think we have to also import the decorators. So I'm creating a function, not class here. So I need a decorator. Dot API view. Yeah, that's it. I need only this. So def API underscore root, and for the API root, what I will be passing, I will be returning a response. Okay, and I will be passing a decorator name API view. Okay, so API view already takes a default get verb, so we don't have to explicitly pass the get verb inside. Okay, so for students, I will be using a reverse. So from last window, reverse function. Okay, so for student, for course, and for this courses, enrollments. Okay, so this part is covered here. Okay, so let's go inside. Students, request. We need request also. We need a format. We are not passing any format here. So it will accept all the in the form of browsable also, and in the form of API, browsable API or a JSON API. So what I will do, I will pass here students here, and I will pass request, and I will pass format. Okay. So till now this looks okay. Students, courses, uh, enrollments. This looks fine. So inside this yours are divided students. Inside the enrollment, yours are divided enrollment courses. Okay, so I have passed the student courses and enrollments here. I have passed all this. So we don't need it. Okay, so it's look good here. So let's register all the URLs that we have created from different apps that we have created so far, and register it inside the urls.config. Urls.py inside the main project folder. Okay, so what I will do, I will import include folder also. What I will do here, I will be using part for course, and students, and student will take include. Okay, the include will be students. Yes, we will be student models. Okay. Okay, so this looks fine. It will be courses, and what I will do, it will be enrollment. But in okay, inside this course enrollment and enrollment. Okay. Okay. Okay, I have to pass in the path of this, and I will import from .views that I've already created inside the main project API room. So it will list down all the APIs that we have created or we have provided in this backend. Okay, so it will be API underscore root. Okay, should work. Okay, so there is something wrong here. This is wrong. I hope it should work. Let's close this one first. Okay. Go back. Press enter. Students underscore student model. Okay, the relation of student model doesn't exist. Student model check. Okay, what I'm doing this wrong. What's wrong? What I am doing wrong? What is wrong? Okay, so inside the students. Okay. Mm, does not exist. We haven't migrated all this. Okay. Now I know what's happening. So we have to migrate everything first. Python 3 manage.py run server. Sorry, not run server. Make migrations first. Um, okay, good. Everything is migrated. We have already created a migration. Then we have to migrate it. Okay, so we have successfully migrated everything. Let's run the server. Okay, I hope it should work. Okay, so it is working and this looks good. Let's create a student. Student 1, roll number 123. Good. Okay. Okay, so what I'll do? Okay, so I'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Email will be that@gmail.com and I'll just post it. And you can see it is working. And if I pass 1 here, suppose, we can get the list of students. Right. So it is working and it looks good. Suppose if I pass .json, I think we haven't added the format. We can add it later. We don't need this right now. So it is working. Course. Let's go inside the course. It is courses, not course. Okay. So course don't have any details right now. Let me create all the courses. So course 1 -1 first course. Okay. First course, let's put it. No course model matches. No course model matches with the given query. No course model matches with the given query. Sorry. Okay, so model course model. Just a minute. What I'll do, I will make it blank. Add a default image here. So what I will do, I will go inside of Pixabay. And what I will do, I will take this image, copy image link. Check this. Yeah. So I will go inside this, take a default, add it. Okay. And null can be true. So null. So you can pass everything and the default will be sent here. Okay, so this looks fine. Let me do it here again. No course model matches the given query. Sorry, but okay. Okay, but why we are using Postgre? We have to create it, no? Right? Nonsense. Okay, so I'm not doing wrong. Okay. So now it will work. Okay, so it is working now. But default I have already passed. Why I'm passing now? Let's run this again. Post it here. Yeah, see, you can get everything. If I list everything, yeah, you can see the list of all the pieces. Okay, and if I want to delete everything, I will do something here. I'll pass one. I will delete it here. Delete. I will pass 2 and I can delete it here. Delete. Okay, I can get the list of all the courses and you can see. Okay, let me pass 2 here, enter it, delete it. We have successfully deleted everything. Now if I go inside the course, there is empty. Right, so it is working. The API is working already, so it looks good. Let's go inside the enrollment, and yeah, enrollment looks fine here. Let me create a course first. Course 1 here, and this is my first course. Okay, let's create. Okay, so we have successfully created it. Let's go inside the enrollment. Okay, so it automatically selects the course ID. So I have already created only one course now, so it will select only the single course that I have created and the one student model that I have created. So I will go inside the grade. I will put it A here, and what I will do, download uh, yes, looks good. We have successfully uploaded the PDF file and we have created the data also. And you can see it from here that it is storing all the files inside this upload folder. Okay, you can see here. Okay, inside the upload folder it is creating a mark sheet file. You can see it is already added the PDF file here, and the profile pic, it is already added the profile pic also. So it is working. So it is storing the static image also. So it looks great. It looks fine here also. So I think we have created a backend successfully. Everything is working. All the CRUD operations I have created, added, and I have already created the upload part also. So we have successfully created this backend. Okay. So let's go to front end. Okay. So we have to create a front end application, and I will be using a Vue application. Let me open the front end application first. Open folder. open. Router. Okay, so this is do you want to ensure the recommended prepared for model extension I think we don't need this. Okay. Package.json. So great. This part is done. Let me connect this application first. Let me run this application. npm run dev. Okay. So we have successfully run this application. Let me open this on the localhost. Okay, so yeah, it is working. Okay, so in the meantime, let's take a break and I will be back. I think I'll be back after 20 minutes, I think. Okay, so meantime, let's take a break. Break, baby, you need a break also. So we have created a first part backend. You okay? I will be taking a break around 25 minutes. So if you are coming after this break, we will be welcoming you for front-end application, right? So here are the list of the packages that I will be installing. Uh, okay. So first package will be an HTTP package. npm I axios. Then it will be bootstrap package. Let's first install all this, both these packages first. Okay, great. And after that, let's install another package. It will be JS cookie. So we will be using cookie for CSR. JS cookie, prime icons. mm, prime icons, view spinner, view dash US justification. Okay. Okay, so I will have to use toastification at the rate next. Okay, so we have successfully installed all the packages. Then what we have to do first after that, we have to go inside the source main.js file, and inside main.js file, what I have to do, I have to the router has been set up already. We have already set up the pinia also. Create pinia. What I will do next, I will add toastification here also. Toast. Okay, so what we trying to call the, I have to import the toast from okay, so from toastification we have to import it. Okay, so we will be importing toast here, and I will be passing toast here. Okay, let me make my screen small so that I will be adding some code. I have already written some of the code, so I will be adding that part here directly. Okay. Okay, so I think everything looks fine here. Let me run npm run. Let's go back. Okay, so this looks good here. Now what we will do, we will create three things. First and foremost, okay, we will be creating a views. Okay, so I will be creating a view here, and I will be creating a store. Then router is already there and component is already there. So we have already the folder is already there, so we don't have to change anything in the folder. Let delete all everything, move to crash. Okay, so this looks fine. Here everything is good. Okay, and let's ignore this. Go inside the home view will be needed, but about view, I will be removing about view from here. Okay, so this looks fine. Let me create a new folder. Components. So inside the components, I will be using a component here. So okay, this looks fine. Okay. Great. This looks good. This looks nice. What I will do, first let's set up let's set up the let's create some files inside the views. Okay, so home view is already there. Okay, home view is already there. uh, the main student view, and say okay, so home view is already there. Admin, so we will be creating a student view here. File, student view dot view. Okay, student view, students view dot view. Students view. Okay, and new file will be courses view. Okay, and then the another file will be new file will be add student view dot view file, and next file will be add course view dot view file. The student view is there, home view, courses view, add student, courses. Okay, so this parts look good. Now let's create a store. We will be creating a student store.js. Okay, and another will be course store.js. Okay, so inside the counter I am using a define store, and I'm using all this. So what I will do, okay, but before that, okay, let first write all this. So import define store, it will be inside the premium. I will be using export constant, use count store. So it will be export const use student define store. Inside that I will mention student okay, so this part is here. What I will do, I will do the same here. For this I will just import find store inside the define store. So this part is covered here. have covered this. What I will do, I will perform a CRUD operation. I will write all the CRUD operations. Okay, that will be, first will be yeah, I will be adding CRUD to here, CRUD. Function calls. Okay, create. This part is covered. Okay, then what I will do, I will create a component. Table component, navbar component. So one will be a navbar. Dot view. Another will be table dot view, and another will be it will be details card. So I don't think so I need a details card view, but yeah, let's just ignore this. Okay, so what I will do, first I will create a tables components. Okay, so what I will do here, no thing I'm putting. We have to import the CSS also. Start CSS. Okay, so we have to import import specification slash paste slash index.css. Okay, the view specification, inside the dist there will be a file named index.css, and same post for bootstrap. Okay, bootstrap slash here slash css slash bootstrap dot css. Okay, okay, so this looks okay here. Let me first import let me import prime icons also. prime icon slash prime icons dot css. Okay. So everything, I have imported all the packages that I will be using in this front end application. Okay, so this part is covered. I don't think anything has left here. So what I will do, uh, I will go inside the home view, and inside the home view I will add a style. That style will be scoped to this file only. Okay, I will be div I. Inside the I will use py.py dash box dot fw dash medium plus h1 plus h4. Yep. So what I'll do, localhost 3000. Okay, so I'm getting an error here. Okay. Oh, I have to remove all this. I have to bring script back up, import. Okay. Template. Insert the template. Home view will be there. Inside and okay here. Okay, so it looks good here. I have to go inside this, make this icon big, style. Inside the style I have to set a font size, and the font size will be of 8 em. Okay, let's create a class, name box, and box will be of width 100%, and the height will be of 100 ph. I think, and we can do it. Display will be flex. Will be column, and line item center center. Box, and everything looks good here. student management system. Okay, what I will do then is um, okay, font shall be italic. Managed to. Okay, so this looks fine. So this we have created a screen here. This looks okay. Okay, what I will do, will create a nav bar for this. Okay, so let's go to nav bar. Let's type script setup template. Okay, so template, go inside star will be scope. What I will do, I will use navbar here. Bar import. Okay, so navbar is there. And go inside the navbar. Okay, so I will be using a router link to show the high style where when the route gets active. So to make the particular navigation or to make the particular section active, I have to use the router link. So let's import the router link first. Router link, and I have to use a route also to check which route is active, and based on that I will be. So let's create one more thing. Go inside the router, create a new file, name routes.js, and the route.js will contain all the routes path. So routes will be what you say basically. It's an variable that holds all the string path, right? So that if we want to change something, we can change directly inside the routes. Okay, so export const routes. So routes will be it will name like this. Home will be like this. Students will be route to students. Okay, for courses, it will route to courses. Okay, and for add student, it will go in with to the add student. add student. Same for added student also. Added student also. Same for course also. Okay. It will be add here. I will change it to course. Here I will change it to course. Here I will change it to course. Here I will change it to course. Okay, so these are the routes that I will be using. Let's go inside the index.css. Sorry, JS. Paste it. Paste it. The total is around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. Okay. So one is for home. So I will be importing routes here. Okay. Routes. Okay. I will be importing routes. I will be using routes instead of routes. I will do one more thing here. I will be adding one more thing. I will be creating an object inside this, and inside this object there will be a path, and the path will contain this, and this will be name. Okay, name of the route. The name of the route is home. So what I will do, I will use this and add this, add this, add this, add this. I will add this inside the path. Yes. Nice, looks nice. Okay, so let's go inside the home.path. Okay, and same goes for route.home.name. So I will use this. Then the list of students view. Sorry, at least one speakers for the single file. Okay, so we need basically, yeah. Okay, so students view. Paste course view. Paste add course view for student. So it will be okay. So what I will do, I will for student dot path and students dot home courses dot path courses dot name add student okay, add course, and here I will do add course. So copy this code. I will register a route for edit course also. Edit student, here also, and then here I will add edit course. Okay, here I will okay, so this looks good. Let me add one more thing here. I think we can add like flash. I think ID. I think you can add it here like this. So we are editing for particular student ID, right? So we have to add the ID. This looks good. So far, so good. So we have registered all the routes. Let's go to nav bar. Okay, so instead of writing everything from scratch, what I will do, I will copy paste from let me open the management spring project inside this frontend. Let's use frontend source components nav. What I will do, I will add everything. Okay, so I will just add this portion So this is just an basic HTML code. Just add this, format it. I will add the styles from this. So basically, instead of A, I am using a router link. A tag, I am using just a router link here. So I'm using a class directive to pass a JavaScript expression. Okay. So here in this code we have created a function name is active to test whether the path that is currently opened in the browser is path belong to something that is represented in the navbar UI or not. Okay. So what I will do, I will just create a function here. Once is active. Okay, and is active function will okay, so it will take route equals to use route dot path. I will access the path from here and I will check whether the what do you say path. Okay, so whether the path matches with the route. If path matches with the route, then give it true. Okay. Okay, so this looks nice. Let's refresh this thing out. I think some error has been occurred. Let's check. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll pass home here. Okay, so I have to import routes also. Import routes. So this so it is home, not home. Inside it is students, not student view. It is courses, not course. Okay. Everything looks okay here, I think. So let me edit this. It will be home here. Same goes for this. Same goes for this. Route to this. Route to students. Route to this. Okay. What I will do here, I will create a function called uh, okay, so inside this button, what I will do, I will add collapse, and collapse will do one thing here. It will use document dot get element by ID, and the element is navbar supported content, navbar supported content dot class list allow some information. What I will do, I will add to class collapse collapse okay. Okay, so what I'll do, we'll get the class list. Class list. Okay, so suppose if class list dot include, or you can say contains, just if class list contains this what to say collapse class, then remove it. Class list dot remove, what we have to remove here, collapse class. So this looks nice. So this is working. So basically I am just adding the class and removing the class from the class list of the given element. Okay. So I think we don't need all this toggle animations on all this thing. Let me remove all this. Refreshes. Okay. Uh, Navbar will not be open by default. It will get collapsed when we are loading the screen for the first time. Okay. So we will call in on mounted. Uh, on mounted. Arrow function. So on mounted will call add collapse. What I will do, I will just add this thing instead of I will just call this function and collapse. I will save it. I will run it. So this looks nice. What I will do, I will go inside the app view and I will go out of view. Let's just refresh it. So it is working, but it is not highlighted yet. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, it looks very different. Let me check. So I will be using container export. It is looking like this. Right, you got this. Okay, but to expand why? Why it is not what I will do, I will just remove everything. I will remove this part. This looks okay. Instead of view width, I will just add it to the first. And one more thing, I will set it to 80 rather than 100. Okay. For nav part, okay. Recover. Okay, but why it is not highlighting the whole? Okay. Just flash the phone. Now this is. Ah, okay, okay. I know what I am doing wrong. So you have to pass a path. 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 So this part is done. Definitely have this thing also. Path. None of the open. This part is working, this one. Correct. This part is done. Go to this part. Paste this code here. Okay, so we will not be using navigate and we will not be using code. Let's ignore this. Edit data and delete. Delete the data successfully. Okay. Here also. Let's see from here. Thing edit data. Code edit function. Edit function. Then that also. After that, I'll be using students here.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful. Discovery's core computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
It's student.
Liftoff of mission 41B, the first flight of the orbiter Discovery and the shuttle.
Edit student.
Discovery Houston, trim to ATO.
I will just remove all this down here. There we go. We go inside the store. Copy all this thing. Paste it to here. Adding this, add this part. What I will do here, I will go inside the student store and inside the get list of students. What I will do, I will paste it here. I will get the list of students. I will make it asynchronous. I will be using Axios here. Okay, so I will be using Axios. I will be using state data. So what I will do, I will cut this part out, remove this, and go inside this, create a reactive here, state data students is loading through. What I will do, I will create an enum here. Let me check. Okay, so let's create an enum. So what I'll do, first is CPS status. Loading. Loading. Okay, this part is covered. Loading status, and here I will put it unknown. Status will be not unknown. Okay, so this looks okay here. Hmm, okay, so remove this part also, and I will paste it here. It will be delete student. Same function. We take ID. Holding cookies. Utilities and from the utilities requirement.